Hello everyone. For Capstone 2, I have selected Greenland. When you think of Greenland, you cannot help but think of its culture, landscapes, and the beauty of the northern lights. Did you know that Greenland is the world's largest island? And in the island, it is found in the Arctic region, a region that impacts the global climate. Greenland, much like other parts of the Arctic, is experiencing an unusual change in the climate, causing it to be unusually warm. This warmth is causing the ice sheets in Greenland to melt, which is contributing to the global sea level rise. The changes in the sea level will eventually lead to issues such as coastal erosion, severe flooding, or sinking of coastal zones. Unlike many tourist websites, www.visitgreenland.com compiles various reports from credible agencies such as NASA and the BBC to bring awareness on global warming and its impact on Greenland. According to www.visitgreenland.com, ice sheets cover 80% of the island and make up approximately 8% of the planet's fresh water. Not only is the amount of the territory the ice sheet covers a concern, but also its thickness. NASA reports that the ice sheet is 2.3 kilometers thick, which, if melted completely, would cause the sea level to rise 23 feet. One of the most important roles of the ice sheet has to do with managing the albedo effect. Without the ice sheet present, it will prevent the Earth from reflecting the radiation back to the sun, and instead the Earth will absorb this energy, causing the planet to heat up. We have come to know this process as the albedo effect. NASA utilized 26 independent satellites to identify the changes on this ice sheet. NASA revealed that there will be a sea level rise of 3 to 5 inches by the year 2100. Since this is the only permanent ice sheet, the impact stretches beyond this massive island. More than 90% of Greenland's export income is from fishing. The warming may present positive economical opportunities, but extended fishing seasons may cause overfishing, creating a different environmental impact. The melting seems inevitable, and no, there appears to be no solution available for this matter. Knowledge is power, and scientists are doing their best to better understand what changes to expect. Inuit Windsled is a current project that is making an attempt to manage these changes by trying to learn about the future without disturbing the ecosystem.